Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do another giveaway. We do a giveaway once a month and the prize will be the VIP lounge papers for the current month. Okay, so I gave you the chance to three of you to win my 3 digital papers plus the letter gift box of this month. But before I'll tell you what you need to do to be entered in the giveaway, let me show you the papers first. Okay guys, welcome to the papers from September of my VIP lounge subscription. So let me show you the number one. Number one is this one here. Oh my god, it's so cute. I don't say myself. Let me zoom out a little bit. That's it. It's called Cute Cats. So it's 4 pages full of adorable cats. Simple as. So they're all very similar, but yet each page is different, and you've got different flower, different scales. You can do cards. Oh, I've got so many ideas of what I want to do with this. So Cute Cats, number one. Number two, it's called Graffiti, which is this one here. So it's a bit like inspiration. It's about 19th pop culture. So we've got lovely tones of green and red, some angry cats, a cheeky cat. We've got this page here. As you can see, the color palette is pretty much the same, so it's, all pages blend. And this is page number 4. Let's put some stars. So yeah, so they're all very different, but again, they all match. So this is Graffiti. Collection number 3, which is my favorite one, is called Vintage Dresses. So you get a page with a lovely doll. Look how cute she is. And then you get 1, 2, 3, 4 pages with all different dresses. So you've got the one on the hangers, the one like that. So they're all super cute. Let's see. Look at that one. The color palette is very similar. So it's all these blue and pinks. Look at that one with a little bow. It's all blend together. Got a couple of ideas of what to do with this paper, so I will showcase it the next coming weeks. And then you get, I haven't got a printout, but I'll show you on my screen on my laptop now. Okay guys, so these are the 5 bookmarks that you will get with this month VIP lounge. It's a little treat. It's an additional gift from me to you guys. The reason why I didn't print them is because it's not something that I will personally use, but I think they are adorable. Especially if you print them on cardstock, and also if you print them front and back, you'll be able to have this double-sided. But I think they're really cute. I will probably use the black and stripe one with the gold hearts, but they're super cute. They are my favorite colors, I must admit, because I do like black and white with a bit of gold, and I do like pink and green together. I think they're very bright. They're a bit summery. And also, yeah, they just give you some positive vibes, or I hope they do at least. So you get the flamingo bookmarks as well. And then last but not least, you get the letter E. Okay, so this is the template. I just printed this on a simply copy paper, and this is what it looks like when it's done up. Let me just move this out of the way, because otherwise you won't be able to see it. So just gonna turn everything white. Yeah, that's better. Okay. So, and there is a private video for all of my VIP members where I share how to make this. simply like cutting it and then glue the tabs, etc, etc. So this is being designed from the graffiti papers. So far we've got letter A, letter B, letter C. Last month was letter D in August, and letter E for September. Okay, so we've done 5 letters so far: A, B, C, D, and E. Okay guys, now you saw the papers. What I need you guys to do in order to be entered in the giveaway, leave me a comment down below. Tell me what projects you will make with the 3 digital papers. I'm very curious to see the creativity and what you would do with these papers. Now the winners will be randomly picked by randompicker.com, which is a website where randomly pick 3 comments on a video. So of course, the more comments you leave, the more chance you have to be picked. So you can either leave 1 comment with the 3 projects that you would do with which one or the paper pack, or you can leave 3 comments, 1 per pack. Say for example, with this paper I would do such and such, etc. Okay, so yeah, leave me a comment or 3 comments. It's completely up to you. Let me know what would you make with these papers. The winner will be picked randomly in the next couple of weeks. Just gonna give the chance to everybody to watch the video. Good luck everyone, and I'll see you soon.